old apartment we have today and half of tomorrow until before 4 o'clock. We have to bring the keys back. But I'm going to show you around. It's not really too empty. There's just a couple things that we still need to take over to the old apartment, or trash bags, from cleaning. I'll show you around and what still needs to be done. Get ready. Okay, I hope you guys can see pretty good. The lighting is not the best. I have some sanding of holes. You can see they're kind of lumpy. It is off color, but they paint over, like they do a paint job before somebody moves in. But I just want to go in and sand some of these down, like over here, for instance. This is not dirty, I promise you. It's just from us doing the caulking job here, and here needs to be refilled and sanded. These are the walls that are horrible. It just needs to be sanded down in some spots. I have cleaned the walls. I'm coming in with bleach or Mr. Clean solution and doing that. These I'm gonna have, I don't know if you guys can tell, they are very lumpy right here and squishy. I need my fiance to try to pull this off, scrape it off, and us sand it down and caulk over it. And just here too, here's not bad. That can be painted over. Over here is pretty bad. You guys can kind of see it. It's just holes, as we did. This one needs to be sanded. Not a lot of spots. Screw still needs to be out. This wall is one of the cleanest walls. It does have some patches, but it's about normal wire. These right here I need to sand down. This one's pretty flat though. I know a couple holes. Here's a little baby one. 1, 2. I just need to caulk these. They're not as lumpy as the other ones. Not bad. This is one of the walls too. See, just mainly this living. See, it just needs to be sanded down. Once it's sanded down, I can make it smooth. The kitchen, yes, the floors are horrible. They are going to be bleached. Oven's pretty much clean. I hate electric stoves now. They're the hardest to clean. The freezer still needs to be, it's pretty much clean. It's just right in here and there. We need a brush, old toothbrush, and some right here. Just little, here and there, little fixes. I'll show you the fridge. We turned off the fridge since we were cleaning it. My fiance cleaned some, but I mainly cleaned it. Take our gnat thing. I went ahead and used vinegar and baking soda to clean in our sinks and make them shiny. The counters are nice and clean. Yeah, our floor is pretty horrible. Trash, cleaning supplies and stuff. But this wall, it does have patches, but I'm not worried about smoothing them over because they're pretty much flat. This was our bedroom. It's horrible. It needs to be swept. Trash cans. There's a little bit of sanding right here. Sand this and these. And then I want to go ahead and sand over this part, but this doesn't look bad in here. Just where it really needs to be flat. I want to work on these today. I'm not going to wipe down the bathroom walls or the hallway walls because I just did recently. It might get loud. Stain. I'm going to try using a little bit of bleach or something, but they'll paint over it. Cleaned. We cleaned all this. Yes, that's from them, not us. I used scrubbing bubbles or Kaboom, one of them. And I did caulk the holes. The worst one is this. It just needs to be a little bit sanded down. Toilet's clean. I'm gonna leave a little bit of toilet paper for today and tomorrow. Mirror's clean, the best of my ability. The sink, I tried to use baking soda and vinegar for that. The toilet, it worked on these two, not this. I don't think it's ever worked. If you guys have one of these, we have 6 now at our new apartment that I love. Just one second. Hey, sorry, I thought I heard a knock at the door. This is my daughter's room. We still have this glass cabinet. We are going to have a person help us get that out to the dump because we don't want it. It's just really big. We done the closets already. I'm going to sweep and mop them out. This wall is going to be, I don't know if there's holes over here either, but caulking this one because see how dingy that one is. That here and here, here and here, and these just need to be sanded down. Yeah, the walls just need to be, this one right here, this one is not our fault because I don't remember anything happening here. So I did clean our AC and like heater, like the vents and stuff. I cleaned it. I cleaned the windows. The floors are not cleaned yet. I'm doing that. That's like the last thing I am doing because I want to do the walls. In this room, our room. The kitchen I'm not going to do because I just did it and it doesn't look bad. It's just this whole area needs to be a little mopped. Like on the, I'm going to use my Swiffer and microfiber and Mr. Clean to hit the walls. I'm going to do it after these dry. We'll probably be here a long night. Probably tonight getting, I done the windows and I did the AC unit. This is the spackling. It's supposed to be from Bread Devil. Lightweight spackling, fills cracks and holes in one easy step. Paintable in minutes, won't shrink or crack. No sanding required, spreads easy. Interior, exterior, and water cleanup. It's a half a pint. I don't like this stuff. I should have got the one that's pink or something. I even tried using toothpaste at one point for these. So I'm definitely gonna have to see if I can sand them down, that would work. But if not, I'll see what my fiance can do or we'll just leave them. I don't know. The floors, right through the walkway from people coming in and out, from moving stuff here. I use these in the kitchen instead of my fiance's steel wool grade 0, the flexible adhesive. And also I used this on the windows, cleaning vinegar with Oxy. My bottle of water, trash bags. I also have my glass of just rubber, like glass, latex gloves, bleach, Clorox. I need to get some more. Yeah, so trash. Take back to, well, some goes back to our place and some not. That is trash. Trash except for the trash can to the apartment. I am getting a new mop head thing to do the floors in here so it's nice and clean. But almost done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be a part 2 of the final reveal if I have time of it being nice and clean. Subscribe, you guys. Love you.